everyone, welcome to Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha Golf Nancy. So today I'm going to show y'all how I make my pumpkin spice blend when I don't have pumpkin spice from the store. And I was looking up different recipes and everything, and everybody added black pepper to theirs. And I was like, why are you adding black pepper to your pumpkin spice? I don't know, I guess everybody's different, but yeah, I guess it's optional if you want to add black pepper to your pumpkin spice. Also, I have it here. Hold on. Where did I put? Oh, here it is. Behind the cinnamon. They also said add allspice. Well, allspice has a combination of flavors ranges from cloves to cinnamon to nutmeg. If I'm making it with cloves and nutmeg and everything, well, I'm gonna add allspice to it. You know, some of the things that I'm like, okay, I'm just doing my own thing, and I wanted to show y'all what I do. So we have our cinnamon, we have our nutmeg, we got our ginger, and we got our cloves. And I have a clean mason jar. Alright, so it said 3 tablespoons of cinnamon. So we're going to do 1, 2, and 3. And if you want to double it up so that you would have, you know, a big batch of pumpkin spice, then, you know, you can do more. Then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of ground cloves. Now I have my teaspoon over there with my coffee, because that may be an interesting blend. So we'll put 1, 2. Alright, so then we want to add our ginger. One, 2. We want to add our nutmeg. 1. And we'll do 1.5 with the nutmeg. Alright. And I just need to get a ring to tighten this on. But mix it around. Shake it well good. Shake, 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 shake. And there you go. Your pumpkin spice. It smells so good. It smells. Now, if you want to, like I said, you can double it. So instead of it being like right here, it'd probably be up to here. And it just depends on how much you use. You can keep going until you have a full jar. But yeah, here's our pumpkin spice blend. So you know it's that time of year for all kinds of goodies and everything. And it's like and then you still have your ingredients left over for other things. So there we go. That is my pumpkin spice mix. I still don't understand why they put black pepper in theirs. No, I'm not doing that. So, thank y'all for watching. And make some pumpkin pie spice. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you next time on Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha Golf Nancy.